Hello guys, welcome back. If you have gone through my yesterday's video about Nifty, I was speaking about unless the prices goes above 24,160 to 24,200 levels, there is a good possibility sellers will come again and it's going to be a sell on rise toward 23,800 levels, which is the previous imbalance level. And if at all Nifty goes below 23,730 levels, there is a good possibility it will go for 23,560 levels and all the way down to 23,320 levels. And about Bank Nifty, I was speaking about unless Bank Nifty goes above 52,050 to 52,100 levels, there is a good possibility again sellers will come in, and any acceptance below 51,250 to 350 levels, which is the value area of 13th November, there is a good possibility sellers will get accepted in that value area, and there is a good possibility of 51,020 levels, and second target will be 50,750 levels, and third target will be 50,200 levels. This is what I was mentioning. So here in this video, we will discuss about how to identify these kind of opportunities. And if you look at in both Nifty and Bank Nifty, initially in the first 1.5 hour, there is a strong volatility, and how to identify these volatile conditions in both Nifty and Bank Nifty using market profile and order flow. And let's look at the key levels we need to watch for Monday for any kind of turnaround or for the down move. Welcome back to the channel. I am Dilip. So first of all, let's get started with Nifty. If you look at today, Nifty futures itself has opened inside the yesterday's value area, and yesterday value area itself is very narrow, indicating that there is a good possibility of trending market in the next day or the next couple of days. And what happened today, the market opened inside the value area of yesterday and it created a strong price magnet at high, and it made a low at 23,920 levels, which is again a strong price magnet. And at the same time, to clear out the high, prices went up all the way and then immediately came down. And if you look at in first 30 minutes of order flow, there are plenty of clues. The uptrend might itself is a trap. Here at 23,980 levels and 23,970 levels, there is a good amount of gap while the prices is moving upside in the second 15 minutes. And at the same time at 24,050 levels, there is no passive buying indicated by zeros. So this indicated up move itself is a good trap. And prices came down, and as the prices is going down, at the same time it has created good amount of gaps all the way up, all the way at 24,040 levels and also 23,930 levels. So there is a pullback all the way up to these gaps, and then prices started coming down. And if you look at the imbalance level at 23,800 levels, which I was referring yesterday, it has cleared and prices entered below 23,730 levels. So the prices clearly got accepted inside the value area of 22nd November and it started going downside. So the low itself is around 23,567 and the low itself is a strong price magnet again, guys. So what you should be looking for Monday is that there is a good possibility prices might come down to 23,360 levels, and 23,300 levels is very much possible on Monday or Tuesday itself maximum. The reason is, guys, if you look at here on 21st November, it created a strong price magnet at the lows. So these price magnets, they get generally revisited once the buying momentum is lost. On 22nd, this price magnet has not been tested and it went up once the buying momentum is lost. If you look at, there is a higher high on 5th December and there was an attempt on 13th December to make a higher high than the previous high, and buyers couldn't able to take the prices upside, and then prices started coming down. So now since the buying momentum is lost, there is a good possibility prices will come down to 23,310 to 300 levels. For any kind of up move, guys, watch for 23,840 levels. Any acceptance above, there is a good possibility prices will go for 23,950 levels and 24,110 levels. For further any kind of up move, 24,160 to 200 needs to get accepted in futures. So this is with Nifty futures, guys, for Monday. In Bank Nifty, guys, if you look at the opening today itself is at 51,615 levels in futures, and it made a low at 51,400 in first 30 minutes and it made a high at 51,715 levels and prices started going down. And at the same time, if you look at in order flow, there is a strong divergence of 1.7k. So whatever the green candle that has formed, that itself indicates it is nowhere to go any kind of longs despite of strong volume clusters on the lower side. So what happened? Because of the divergence, immediately prices went down. So in the second 30 minutes, as the price is going down, again there is a good amount of gaps, and there was a pullback towards these gaps, and it cleared out. Once the gaps get cleared, and prices goes into the initial direction, which is downside. So what you should be looking for Monday is that if you look at today, all the two targets what we have discussed all the way down to 50,750 levels, it has been cleared out today itself. So for Monday, this third target 50,200 levels is very much good possibility. For any kind of up move, guys, watch for 51,000 to 51,100 levels. So any acceptance above these levels, there is a good possibility we might see 51,300 levels, and we might even see 51,500 levels and 51,750 levels in futures. If you are keen on learning order flow and market profile, go through the playlist which I am attaching at the end of this video. So this is with Bank Nifty. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.